Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the fundamental theory of Chinese medicine, like a very simple idea of basic yin-yang balance. Okay, what is yin-yang balance? Well, in Chinese medicine, a very important idea of health is when the yin-yang is balanced, then a person is healthy. If there is any alternation, altered like a balance of this uh, yin yang, then this person may be unhealthy. Okay, so what does it call? Like in Chinese medicine, when we call it so yin ping yang ni. So basically, when the yin yang is balanced, like the graph yin yang graph, when everything is perfectly balanced, the person is healthy. So let's have draw a little diagram. Hopefully that will help you understand it. So here is the center, which is this is the health, healthy. However, a person's health is not just one line in the middle. It's kind of like imaginary area of this area, and then when the person is healthy, then they are able to bring the health back to the normal center line. Say, for example, like this is the optimal health. However, it could be slightly to the left or slightly to the right, but you're still healthy because our body naturally have this ability to achieve a homeostasis. So this is like a region that our body is able to bring it back to balance if we are a little bit slightly out of balance. For example, when we are in the summer, we sweat. Like it's very hot out there, we sweat, and then like our body will release energy, will release heat by water evaporated from our skin, and then we are able to come back to a better health core, like a healthy core temperature. If it's very cold, the temperature is very cold, and then like our body will start to shiver and create more heat, and then our body will preserve the heat by say like a constrict the blood supply to the skin so that we don't lose more heat, and then we'll come back to the healthy line. However, if our body is in some kind of condition that is a little bit out of the control, like it's out of the homeostasis ability, then say for example like our health is like here now because it's too cold, our body um, cannot warm up. Then in this case, we either find some some clothes or some shelter to prevent us from get sicker and sicker. Um, Otherwise, we could get ourselves killed. However, in that kind of case, we need to bring it back. Like our body needs to know how to bring it back. However, health is not that simple. So a lot of times, like when our health is out of balance and we don't take care of it, it's going to be eventually going worse and worse. And somewhere around here, we will see some signs and symptoms and getting worse and worse. And eventually, it's going to cause a life-threatening condition. Some of them may do, some of them may not. Same thing if it's too cold, too hot or too cold, like either of them could cause a problem if we don't take care of it. That's why in certain conditions, like we use Chinese medicine, either acupuncture, moxibustion, herbal, that will bring our condition back to this area, and our body will be able to adjust it itself by the natural homeostasis and bring it back to the center. This is basically the very simple concept of what is like a Chinese balance theory. Hope you like it. And if you like our video, please subscribe and then like, follow my channels. There will be more videos comes out, so talking details about it. Thank you very much and have a good day.